Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. Budget meal tayo guys. For today, we are going to unbox a keychain flashlight. Okay, nabili ko sa Shopee for around 150 pesos each. Okay, so here's the flashlight. May clip na siyang kasama. Pwede nyong i-transfer kung saan nyo gusto. Ayan. Double click natin ulit. Cove, medium, low, cycle ang amber, medium, and low. Yan. So, low, medium, high, very high, or turbo. Yan. Okay, test natin guys. Go pick. And first click, magluluminous agad siya, and low. Yan. Second click, medium. Third click, high. Yan. Fourth click, very high. Yan. Bounce, naka-bounce na yan. Ganda. Okay. Luminous. Double click. Ayan, parang cove. Second click. Third click, low. Fourth click, amber. Amber high. Amber medium. Amber low. Ayan. Kagandahan dito guys, may luminous siya para just in case mahulog sa gabi ay madali nyo siyang mahanap.